Let's take a look at this NUTRIBULLET blender. This is a really versatile machine, able to make hot or cold, sweet or savoury treats. The powerful 1000 watt motor gives you enough power to do it all and in quick time. You can choose from 2 speed settings to get the best results, giving you complete control over every recipe, and it's really easy to adjust this setting with the 2 dedicated buttons on the front, high and low. You've also got a pulse button that lets you start and stop the blending at any point to get the consistency you're looking for. It's got a large 1.6 litre capacity that has more than enough room to prepare smoothies for the week or soup for the whole family. So if you've got a lot of veg that's close to being binned, throw it all in here and make some soup ready for the week ahead. And for that extra convenience, everything except the power base is dishwasher safe, saving you time on washing it up when you're done blending.